With the release of the first industrial automated mobile robot, Omron has created the world's most popular family of mobile robots, the LD series. Based on the same proven technology, Omron is taking our mobile robotics fleet to the next level of performance. The most popular family of mobile robots just got stronger. Introducing the Omron LD-250, our newest and strongest autonomous mobile robot. The LD-250 has the strength to expand what is possible in your automated system. The LD-250 is built with sturdier metal skins, is capable of more demanding duties, and is also quieter than the LD-90. Along with new software, clearance, and dynamic controls, the LD-250's new payload capacity allows for a new world of possibilities. Omron's Fleet Manager fully integrates the LD-250, providing more options for your mobile fleet. Guided by the Fleet Manager, LD-250, LD-90, and LD-60 mobile robots work together to efficiently manage material flow within the facility. For automated material handling, Omron easily optimizes traffic management, payload assignments, vehicle routing, and fleet performance, providing a simple, elegant solution allowing a mobile fleet with diverse capabilities to work together seamlessly. As part of Omron's larger family of automation technology, the LD-250 joins our automation solutions, including mobile, industrial, and collaborative robotics. This will allow you to load more, whether it's bulky objects or just heavy items. This means fewer trips, more efficiency, faster return on investment. From industry to industry, from application to application, Omron has the solutions to your most challenging automation needs. Now with capacity to dream even bigger. Bigger, stronger, better. The LD-250 by Omron.